So if I were to go around over here and bring in a shape, I can go around and type in anything right here. So this is referred to as the label, and it is there in the center of a shape by default. But what you can also do is you can go around and move up the place of these labels right here. And to do that, over here on the right hand side, you can go around and then allow movable labels. So to do that, you can see that movable label is an option, and if you were to go around and click, then you can see that there's this movable label option right here that appears as a yellow dot. You can click and drag this out right here, and then you can see that this is the movable label right here. You can go around, click and drag it, and you can see that the text location changes as I change this out. You can go around onto the movable label section and then disable this out as well, and you can see that the text stays over here where I moved it. But you can go around onto the movable label section over here again and move it out, and you can see that you can move the label wherever you want. Even when you insert out a picture or something right here on the shape. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around onto the text section right here, this is what you have. As you can see under the style, this is what you have. You can go around onto let's say different sections. Let me just go around and bring in a rectangular shape right here, just like this, and go around onto the text section. And over here, once I go around onto the type area, let me just go to image. So that allows me to go around and open out an image right here. So I'm just going to go around, open up the tube image and resize it, and this is what you have. As you can see, I can go around and you can see that this is imported out as a text itself. So now it is a label as well. So if I were to go around onto style and onto let's say movable label right here, then you can go around and move this out, as you can see, just like this. And you can go around, move this around over here, and then you can see that the picture moves around. So that is how you can work around with movable label option inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.